motor cars. Today we have on offer this 1960 MGA Mark 1 fixed head coupe. It's finished in iris blue, black leather interior, 4-speed, 60 spoke wire wheels with these pretty wide white wall tires. Very nice older restoration, nicely mellowed, just the way you want one of these. You know, very drivable, great condition all the way around. So let's have a look at it. You know, so very nice, slightly older paint. I can see a couple little, you know, little touch-ups, but for the large part, really nice and glossy. Shows great. We're coming around here. There's a little repair here, a little scratch down the side that was repaired, and then a little bit of slight blistering on the top here. But you know, the rest of the car looks pretty fantastic. You know, great paint work on the roof, sides of the car, doors shut great, panels fit well. This is a Mark 1. They only made 2,700 of them. So pretty nice car in this color. Little bit of blistering down here, which is real slight. The door's been touched up a little bit, but you know, generally as you do a walk around on this car, it is really nice, properly quality restored, older restoration. You know, when they restored the car, all the chrome work was renewed, and that's gorgeous. The rubber, fog lamps fitted. Like I said, it's got these really nice stove enameled 60 spoke wire wheels. They're an upgrade from the original 48s. All the glass, all the rubber's in good condition. You know, MGAs, they have all these really specific components, and as you can see here, everything's nicely fitted. Even this chrome insert to the rear rubber, that's in great condition. Beautiful little click door handles here to enter into the cabin. So you know, iris blue, very pretty car for these coupes. Looks sort of like a miniature Jaguar. So interior wise, all this has been completely renewed. Gorgeous in this black moss upholstery kit. Seats are fantastic. There's not a mark on them. They're done in leather in the correct coupe pattern. Headliners in good condition all the way around. That was redone. Black quality carpet kit. So, you know, completely trimmed out nicely in a black carpet kit. Just starting to show just a little bit of mellowing and a couple small, you know, a small little few details like this showing a bit of its age. But you know, beautiful, comfortable interior overall. This car's NAMGAR registered, number 1402. Here's another look at that really nice condition upholstery. Coupes are MGA coupes. They're painful little cars to restore. You know, they're pretty simple, but it's like when you get to the interior, you've got all that glass, rubber, chrome work, headliner, quite a bit more work than a Roadster. And these cars are 10 times as rare as the Roadster, especially the Mark 1 here. This is a Mark 1 1600. Like I said, they only made 2,700 of them worldwide, and you know, maybe 20% exist today. So we're looking at a car here that was sparingly produced. Moving to the engine compartment, you can see this had a complete restoration done. So all this is beautifully painted, body color, detailed. You know, not too long ago, the engine was completely rebuilt. Radiator looks to be in great shape, but you know, the engine's painted the correct maroon color. It is a 16GA correct prefix for a 1600 Mark 1. Another nice thing about the Mark 1, it's fitted with these Dunlop front disc calipers, which is really nice for extra stopping power. Let's take a look in this car's trunk. So in the trunk we can see it's all been carpeted nicely. It's got a wheel well cover. There's looks like there's a tool and jack, things like that to for wheel change. Really good solid undercarriage on this car. Just a really nice driver. You can see me driving it. Once it's warmed up, it goes down the road quite nicely. No mechanical issues. You know, shifts fine, brakes, steers, everything feels good suspension wise. Really good oil pressure, runs nice and cool with that correct 1600 Mark 1 engine. So there it is. Lots of value for the money here. If you're looking for a nicely restored MGA coupe, like I said, these are 10 times as rare as the Roadster, and especially this Mark 1 variant. They only made 2,700 for total production on this 1600 Mark 1 MGA coupe, finished in this beautiful iris blue, black leather interior, 4-speed, 60-spoke wire wheels, wide white wall tires, super extensive restoration and history file on this car. Plenty of documentation goes along with it, and it's a great buy at this price. You can find it for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.